have an NQ trade just about to develop here. Hopefully I'll be able to get my DOM up here fast enough to be able to put that trade on. And we need a down close of this bar right here on the NQ. Alright, we have two gray bars pointing down, so that says the next down close is probably going to be a black arrow. So we need the next down close to trigger here. And we have the same thing going on here with the YM. So there it is on the NQ, and now we need to get it on the YM. A down close on the YM would be the next thing. Here's the NQ. Stop just went to 4 ticks in profit, and it just took me out with 4 ticks in profit. That is how I have my stop automatically trailed to break even plus 4 ticks after 10 ticks in profit. Okay, so here's the YM one. And there's the YM. The YM goes to break even plus 1 tick after 5 ticks in profit. Okay, so we're going to lock in just a couple on the YM. And now we're going to lock in 10 on the YM. And you can see the NQ did keep going. It's getting down to the other band. And we got 10 on the YM. And 4 on the NQ. 10 on the YM and 4 on the NQ on that one. Okay, 10 on the YM and 4 on the NQ. In the last video, I had this one over here that ended up moving up to the other band. It took a little while to get up there. And I had 4 ticks on this one here on the last video on the NQ. Alright, that's going to be it for this session, this little video, I guess. Alright, go to tv-trades.com to sign up for the trial. It doesn't get any easier than this. If they're outside the bands, you take the trade. Alright, if they're outside the bands, the black arrow outside the bands, you take the trade. It's as simple as that. You get a gray arrow letting you know that it's coming before it happens, and then you take the trade.